So we got a call for a Jeep Wrangler that is hung up on the top of the Honeymoon Trail. So we're gonna head up there and see if we can get him. We've got Randy with us.
Yeah, it's here. Weather's hot, no wind, which is unusual.
We brought Eric today.
What am I supposed to say on this? Good morning, everybody.
I think it's gonna be a good day.
Hurry up. Mac. Your breath stinks.
Lick it, man. So they call this the Honeymoon Trail because back when the settlers were here, they would get married in the LDS temple in St. George from all over these settlements in southern Utah. And this was one of the main arteries for bringing them to the temple. So that's how it got the name, the Honeymoon Trail. I can't tell if these guys are really cramped or if they're just whining. Let me know in the comments if these guys are just whining. Are you warm enough, Ed?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Anyway, it was rebuilt at some point. I'm not sure exactly what it is. And they switched the side of the canyon up here that the road was on. So the original trail, you can see it up here, was on the south side of the canyon. And then when they came and restored it, they moved it to the north side. About a super slow pull on this side of the bumper.
Yeah, crawling right out of here.
Keys in it.
Yeah, the keys are right on the seat.
So, how are you related to Darren?
That's my brother.
Okay. I can see a similarity there.
Yeah.
Family resemblance.
Camera off the dash and put it on
Have a good one. So we got him found, and we determined that we could just do a gentle pull forward to get him out of the situation he was in. It worked pretty good. I don't know, Eric, how did that go?
It went pretty good. The internal tip meter, though, was letting me know that I probably needed to bail out at a couple of points.
What do you think of that, Ed?
It's a little tricky. Eric was ready to jump.